Okay, what's wrong with this heat pump? Nice cold day today, 24 degrees. Thermostat is calling, contactor is making, nothing's happening. I'm going to give you a close-up on the control box of this thing, and we'll see if we can figure out what's happening. Okay, I've disconnected my jumper, which is my thermostat on this beast, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it. Okay. Now nothing's happening. You can hear it come in. We'll take a check with a voltmeter. Okay, we've got the voltmeter set up. I'm showing 245 coming in. Zero coming out. I'm going to check across each one of these switches. I'm showing 0 here across that set of contacts, and I'm showing 245 across that set of contacts. So what's the problem? Should be a real simple one with maybe a little bit of a twist to it. I'll be back in a couple of days with the answer.